Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on fading audio in iMovie for iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Fading audio in and out is easy to do in iMovie for iOS. You can do it to both added audio tracks and the original audio of a video clip. Tap to highlight the clip you want to fade. Select the volume control button from the bottom. Tap the fade button to the right of the volume bar. A slider will appear at the start and end of the clip. You can drag each one inwards to adjust the level of fading on the clip. The further you drag it, the longer the audio will take to complete the fade effect. The green bar shows the decibel levels at that point in the timeline. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.